Hi all. So in this video we will learn about ancestor and ancestor-self keywords, right? Okay, we will directly go with example. Here I have captured that automation team. So automation team is this one, this text, right? From here, so it's return me one of one. So h5 tag only one element is there, right, with this condition, right? First of all, we will go with ancestor tag, ancestor double colon and star. It returns me 7 tags. Okay, so if I navigate to that 7 of 7, so you can see that my previous tag was this one, right? h5 automation team. So its parent is this div tag, right? So if I go to sixth one, right, sorry, sixth one, this is sixth. Okay, so this goes upside, this goes upside from the parent tag with its hierarchy, right? Go upside with its hierarchy. So this is the original one, I think. Automation team, its parent is div, its parent is this div, right? Department ID something, right? Okay, so likewise, so this is 5 of 7, right? It is also div. So this should, next one should be section, right? Here section, fourth one. Then its parent is main, right? The main's parent should be body tag, right? Here it's body. That the final tag should be what? It should be HTML tag, right? So this is go upside with its hierarchy, right? Then we will learn about ancestor or self tag. Ourself gives 1 of 8. It's nothing more than that. It's same as the ancestor tag, but it gives itself as well, right? Here you can see that 8 of 8 gives the automation team, which is the current node. It will return the current node and ancestor node. So that's why it says ancestor or self. Okay, so I just remove that or self part, right? Just ancestor tag, right? So if you need to return only div tags, so instead of star you can say div. Now you can see it's written only 3 tags, right? So which is according to the hierarchy, but it only returns upside hierarchy, but only return uh, 3 tags, because only 3 tags are getting div, right? Other ones are other elements, right? Okay, hope you can understand this.